All right, boys and girls, today in Notebook Nook, you are going to work on converting measurements. So what I'm going to give you, and you will find in the Notebook Nook drawer, is a worksheet that looks like this. You'll see that our I can statement right here says I can convert measurements with the same meaning. So throughout this unit, we're going to be working with capacity, which is talking about liquid, cups, ounces, pints, quarts, liters, milliliters, gallons. We're also going to be talking about weight, which is right here, and that's pounds, ounces, tons, grams, and kilograms. And then we're going to be talking about linear measurement, feet, inches, yards, centimeters, millimeters, kilometers. So these are all things that we're going to be working on. So I want you to cut, color, and glue this into your Notebook Nook on your next blank page. Then I want you to take this page right here, and I want you to complete it. When you are done working on this page, I want you to turn it into the class drawer so that I can review and decide if you are ready for tomorrow's work. Now, let me explain how you do this. This top chart here is capacity. So it says 1 pint equals blank fluid ounces. So if you look over here on your capacity chart, it tells us that 1 pint equals 2 cups, but we need to know fluid ounces. So one way we can do that is say, all right, well, if 1 pint is 2 cups and 1 cup is 8 ounces, then 2 times 8 is what? 16. So we know that 1 pint equals 16 fluid ounces. Well, if 1 pint is 16 fluid ounces, then 2 pints are 16 times 2, which is 32. So now the next step here has 64. Well, how many fluid ounces is that? 64. So how many pints is that? If 1 pint has 16, how many pints are in 64? And that is how you do the first table. You do the same thing using gallons and quarts in this table, and then using liters and milliliters in this table. Now throughout class today, I'm going to be calling some of you to work at my table on this very work. So do your best, try your hardest, do your math on a separate sheet of notebook paper, and be prepared to discuss it when you come to the table to work with me.